Okay, November 2nd, 2023. We're back here with the RV, and we got our first rain yesterday, and so we wanted to check it out, make sure it wasn't leaking. And when we got in there, to our dismay, it was leaking in a couple of different places. Now, was it yesterday morning or day before yesterday? I got up and I put some extra sealant along that seam there, along the top of the lights, and over here a little bit of sealant. This side here did not leak. The other side leaked, and I did not see anywhere that it looked like it would have been leaking when I was up there the other day. But we've got to get back up there and see if we can find anything that looks like it. We're gonna coat it with the sealant either way. But I think you'll be able to see this. You can see daylight up there. So we're going to get up there and we're going to goop that up good. And there was a leak a little bit running down over there. We're going to goop them up good, and then at this seam here, it's coming out all along here. We caught this pan. Wasn't leaking real bad, but it was dripping. So we're going to get back up there, see if we can find anything else where it may have been leaking. We put some sealant back here on the ladder rung where it hooks into the top. I haven't looked in those cabinets. I won't look in there right now, but we're going to get back up there and try to get a good coat of sealant anywhere that we can see where it could possibly be leaking, and even in other places. I'm going to look at that TV antenna real good and check it out real good and see just what we can figure out on it. And we're going to be using what we got from Elder's Hardware yesterday, this Flex Glue White, super strong, instant grab and hold, works underwater, excellent for, and this is for RVs, super thick formula, and it's a self-leveling. And we got this from Tractor Supply today, and this one was, I think, $16 at Elder's, and it is what, 6 fluid ounces. This is Camco Roof Tech RV Roof White, 10.1 ounces, and it was $15 at Tractor Supply. So we're going to get up there with this first and see what we can do, and then we will go from there. I think I've got the camera at a little bit better angle than we did yesterday. We'll be using the head camera for this up here. And like I say, we put some sealant right around these 2 bars where they go in. We're going to put a lot more around there before we leave down here up here today. I'll say this roof looks remarkably good for being under those pine trees for so long. I guess we need the sealant, don't we? Now there's still some water puddled up there, so I don't think it's leaking there. it would have already leaked into the RV. We're going to put some sealant along there. I'm thinking that light we're seeing is just the back of this, to where this comes in and meets, because there's nothing, there's certainly no hole there. So I don't know what's up with that. We're going to run a bead all the way across here, that's for sure. And let's say it looks fine. There was a puddle there too. It hadn't, of course, like I said, this side over here hadn't leaked. And we cut a bigger hole in this tube. Should have brought a rag up here with us, but I didn't. I'll just use my gloves to dry that up. That does not look like a crack. I don't know if I got it quite, if the camera is quite good enough yet. I'll let my gloves dry. We're going to put some sealant in there and there. And see further back, it could be coming in around this antenna and working its way up. It's a little colder today. And we're going to put some in there, there. We're going to run some all the way across here. Even with the bigger hole, it's not wanting to come out of here very good. And we have that white tape as well. Still need a bigger hole. It's supposed to be self-leveling. We'll see. Ah, there's loose right there. Water is getting in right there. That's for sure. Yep. Yep. Yeah, water is getting in there. No doubt. And they said they just finished this, but this looks like it's been done for a while. Vicky, I found one place I know it was getting in up here. Yeah. No doubt about it. As y'all can tell, I'm not a caulker. It'd be interesting to see how it self-levels. Doesn't look like it's going to self-level to me. Now back here where it might have been getting in, I guess it could have been coming in down through here. I don't see any separation though. Well, I don't see any separation, anything where there's any getting in around here. If water's puddled up there, so it wasn't getting in. Okay, well, until the next rain, I can see what it does. If it rains again, it leaks, it keeps leaking. We're going to run some of that 4-inch white tape down through here, across there. Well, it is self-leveling a little bit. A little bit, that over there isn't, is it? Well, that's the only separation I'm seeing right now. I got that yesterday, and like I said, that didn't leak yesterday. Okay, well, we're going to call it for today. And see how we come out. I got up on her roof, 2 years ago, and it looked like it was in good shape, from what I could tell.